All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the solution here for this newest problem that we're looking at. Number 6 here is the problem that I gave you on AP Classroom. So you were given an equation here, and the first thing they wanted you to do was just to verify using implicit differentiation that this was correct. So in implicit differentiation, we need to take the derivative of every single term, and we're always going to use chain rule when we take the derivative of y. So the derivative of 2x squared was 4x. The derivative of 3y squared using the power rule is 6y times the derivative of what's inside, dy dx. That's what we're eventually going to solve for. Here we need to use the product rule, so it's the first term times the derivative of the second term plus the second term, which is y, times the derivative of the first term. Now I'm saying that the entire first term is negative 4x, so that derivative would be times negative 4 equals the derivative of 36 is 0. And so now we're going to solve for our dy dx terms. I used to make you guys highlight that or put it in a box. Okay, I'm going to underline it there. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 4x from both sides. So that adds to 0. And I'm also going to add 4y. This is just a negative 4y term. Okay, so don't be confused by that. Let's scoot this over, plus 4y. So now we have 6y dy dx minus 4x dy dx equals negative 4x plus 4y. Now we need to factor out the dy dx term by factoring out the greatest common factor, and what we have left over will be 6y minus 4x. And if dy dx is what we're solving for, then the last step was to divide both sides by this term. So dy dx equals, the last thing here, I can see it doesn't match exactly, so I know I need to divide the common factor of 2 out of everything here. I'm just reducing everything by a factor of 2. So that's negative 2x plus 2y. 3y minus 4x, 3y minus 2x in the denominator. Okay, so this is practice of implicit differentiation from chapter 4. A lot of you did really great here. Everybody was earning full credit. You have been given the answer. You're just verifying that that's correct.